let's do it again, please. Go.
Hi, it's Kim Richardson, president of Transrep. Transrep is pleased to sponsor the Best Practices Fleet Profiles this year. We've been involved with PMTC for a number of years, find it of great value to contribute and participate in all the different functions that PMTC hosts over the years. Transrep has been a strong contributor and active member of PMTC, and we encourage others to get involved. PMTC is a great organization run by great people, and we see a tremendous value being involved with Private Motor Truck Council of Canada. Transrep continues to do business with many PMTC carriers and customers, and we thank you for all your business, and we look forward to continuing to support the activities of PMTC. Thank you.
So Jason, tell us a little bit more about on your onboard technologies. What different technologies you have in trucks for driver safety and whatever explanation you like to explain that.
Well, we started with our ELDs a little over 5 years ago, and it was a bit of a journey where we're just getting the initial ELD components installed on boards and going from the old paper logs. And as we progressed, we started with, again, more technologies around telematics and other onboard systems that's helping the driver.
So you have telematic, you have electronic logs, and is there any other technology you're using as well, like dash cams?
Very recently we installed dash cams, and that was actually at the behest of our drivers because they felt that it would be a good tool for them to help them and assist in any type of incident investigation or accident investigation. We actually sourced a couple of different cameras and we got them installed on our fleet, and it's actually quite helped us because we have had a couple of incidents where we had to refer to the information on the camera to help exonerate us in some instances. And many times as well, it's a good item to have that our drivers see that helps them make sure that they feel that they're doing the right job on the road.
So that's a really good technology, but if you have to give me a percentage in your fleet, how much percentage you already have installed with dash cams and you're still doing it in future?
We started about a year ago, right? And it took us a couple of months to get the fleet rolled out right now, but I guess the feedback has been great from the drivers. They're glad that we have them.
So what is the best, I would say, from your experience, what is the best benefit you have seen from the dash cam? Like, since you have installed it, you have gotten good feedback from the drivers, but what is the best feedback you would say from the dash cams?
I think just from where we hear of some catastrophic incidents out there and helping exonerate fleets, that's the number one. It's basically just having that information in your back pocket that you refer to. At the same time too, we also use it as a coaching tool where, if there was a driver that we had an issue with, we're able to kind of pull the footage and basically have a one-on-one discussion and let him actually view the camera too. It's a non-connected system. Because again, we're still on this journey as to find out what the right system to have, but the drivers have access it, they can't tamper with it or anything like that, but we have that information that we can pull at any time to have either that coaching session or reference it if there's a particular issue.
What would you say in terms of your driver challenges having this technology in there?
Very receptive. Again, they were the ones that requested it, and many, even before we went on the journey of putting a company-owned dash cam, they would actually use their own devices in there as well. Again, they felt it was just a good tool for them to have in case of an issue on the road.
So, am I fair to assume like you have cloud-based dash cams or the cars?
Right now, it's a static system, so we don't have it connected to the cloud at this point. We're still experimenting. We have 2 or 3 different devices that we're actually rolled out on our fleet right now to kind of see where the best of fit is. So it's completely road-facing. We don't have any driver-facing right now. So far, the feedback's been great, and our accident record and our driver behavior, I think, is second to none. So us having a connected system, I don't feel it's necessary at this time.
Thanks, Jason, for talking to us.
No problem.